to the stage. You know, when you get this mic in your hand, you never know what's coming up next. Here comes the chicken joke.
I stole this joke a long time ago from Red Fox at Las Vegas, so oh, watch out. It seems back in St. Louis, where Red Fox was born and raised, they used to have butcher shops. In the hot summertime, the butcher would lay those chickens out on a tray in ice. Of course, in hot July, that ice would melt. This lady, big lady, came in to the store, need to look at your chickens. There they are. So she picked up one of those chickens and she looked it all over and she spread them apart. Ooh, she said, Mr. Butcher, said, I don't think this chicken's gonna make it. And the butcher says to her, ma'am, I don't believe you could pass that test.